Hello guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. As you can tell, it's just me, for the time being at least. Emily has obviously gone back to work, so she'll obviously be in these vlogs a little less than she has been. But the weekend vlogs and everything and the live streams will remain the same with Emily in them. Now today we actually received some magic mail from a competition that we went over on Instagram, so I'll show you that now. It's really cool. So the company that we won it from is called Happy Place, I don't know if that's going to focus, but Happy Place Print. So I'll leave them in the description below. Thank you for selecting us as your winner. So the first print is of Hollywood Studios. Look at that. It's really cool. All like the vibrant colours. I love it. And then we have, of course, Magic Kingdom. And Animal Kingdom. And of course, Epcot. So as well as the Walt Disney World parks pack, they also sent us the Universal. So we've got Islands of Adventure. That's really cool. And we've got Universal Studios. So like I said, we're going to put them above the bag. We've got Emily's bags here, and then we're going to put them across the back wall there. So we're going to have Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, and then Hollywood Studios and Epcot, and then possibly the wall behind me here, the Universal ones on. But we'll see about that, and we'll see where we can fit them.
Hi guys, so I've just finished work and Ashley's making the tea.
Yeah.
So I've got a little stir fry going there, and Ashley's having a burger.
It's more just like leftover stuff, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
So we already had the burgers earlier in the week, there was one left, and then we had some chicken left over as well, so got some stir fried stuff, and then, yeah. So it is a beautiful day. I'll take them off inside. So we thought we'll have a little picnic, don't we? We're gonna go to the park that you've probably seen us go several times, and we've got a little picnic bag all ready to go. So yeah, let's go. We're here in the park. It's quite quiet actually, isn't it?
Yeah, quite little.
Yeah, so we're going to tuck into our little packed lunch now and enjoy the day. So picnic consumed, chilled out for a bit. Didn't really vlog just because we wanted to chill, yeah. Essentially. But yeah, we're going to head over to Sainsbury's now, just get like little bits and bobs. Don't need much to it. And then head home. And I think we might have some bulmers, which we had for yesterday's stream. If you did see that, I apologise for how out of it we were, but it was a nice day, so we wanted to enjoy it ourselves. But yeah, it's been nice to just like
Get out.
Yeah, and like it's not overly hot, but it's, you know, nice enough to wear shorts and that. So yeah, it's been chilling, haven't we?
Yeah.
Like under a big tree. It's surprisingly quiet.
It would be packed, but
no, God knows. Yeah, very little people in the park, and it's like,
especially for Saturday.
yeah, and considering there's like a skate park like just over the other side.
Yeah.
Very quiet, like no noise at all. It's quite relaxing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, we've seen like a recent trend, didn't we? Like a lot on TikTok, of people making like a, what would you call it? Like a pillow fort kind of thing. So we thought, why not? Still in lockdown and everything, very bored. So why not have a movie night and do a sofa fort? Let's see how it goes.
So the place does look like a bomb's gone off right now because we've just had to put everything everywhere. But this is our little den. So we turn the sofas like on this side. If we go around here.
Hello. We do have the mental age of about 8. So perfect, but yeah, really cozy.
And the telly right there.
Yeah. I feel like I'm in like a drive-in theatre or something. Happy days. Get the snacks. So the only real reason that you can see us now is because I'm using the torch on my phone. But we are watching E.T. in this little den and it's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's so good, yeah.
I don't know why we've never done this before. Yeah, we've got some Pringles, some Quavers. So yeah, we're just going to chill out. I'll show you now what it looks like to us, but you won't get really the full effect, but yeah, a bit of fun. So it's kind of like this. I've put the light on again just so you can see, but there's E.T. But yeah, there's like, you know, the sofas around us. What do you think?
So good.
So it is the next day, and the living room's all, you know, cleared of all the things, yeah, from last night. We've just recorded a video, hence why I'm back in this Harry Potter themed t-shirt. We did like a 30-question Harry Potter tag, so it won't be up for a few weeks, just because, well, we're backlogging videos out, really. But yeah, Easter Sunday today, so we've got a chocolate at the ready, but we've seen a little recipe, didn't we, for a Easter Scotch egg. By Easter Scotch egg, we mean using a cream egg covered in cookie dough, and then like instead of like a breadcrumb, it is Biscoff. So the recipe that we did actually see was they were making you make your own cookie dough and everything, which we didn't.
But we were lazy and just bought it.
Yeah. The only other thing that you need is the like white chocolate, just to make the Biscoff stick to the cookie dough essentially. So I'm gonna try and make them, see how it goes. First off, just roll out the cookie dough. You won't obviously need all of that because we've only got 2 eggs, as you can see. So I'm gonna roll it all out, and then whatever we don't use for the eggs, we'll just make regular cookies. I'll just cut some off from the main bit. Just going to put the egg on there and hope for the best. If it doesn't all fit, we're just going to put some more from the actual main bit on, but it's going to be very sickly, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there we go, there's a cream egg with the cookie dough over it. And then we're just going to put this in the fridge for a little while just so it solidifies a little bit, and then pour some warm chocolate over it and some Biscoff. You're very close there. Go on. Give it a little smasheroo with that. Alternatively, you could obviously use like a mixer, but we're trying to use like the least amount of pots and stuff, so you'd have to clean. Plus,
you can do it in about 2 seconds.
So now that we've got the crushed biscuits, the cookie dough wrapped cream eggs, and the white chocolate, we're going to dip the cookie dough into the white chocolate and then roll it. Fingers crossed.
Okay, so this is Ashley's there, and this is my one. Let us know in the comments who you think did better.
She obviously sabotaged me by making me go first so I'd get all the bigger pieces, but hey ho. We're going to put these in the fridge now, just so that they like stick properly and let the chocolate
set.
Yeah. So it is a while later now. I've actually let them set, and
look, they look like a Scotch egg.
Kind of, yeah. Yeah, I think if we were to do it again, just need to like.
That one's yours. Not very good.
Thanks for that. Like ground the biscuit down a bit more, I think.
This one's alright though.
To make it more like a crumb. But yeah, we're gonna cut one in half.
Good luck. They're very hard from the fridge.
Or attempt to, maybe carve it. And then yeah, give one a go.
A little easier than I thought.
Not really. Oh, it's falling apart, it's falling apart. Oh my good god. You can kind of see it there, but it's, yeah, it's falling apart. Yeah, as you can see, sort of like the inside of it. Looks okay. I mean, failed to cut it because it was like so hard to cut, but kind of see a cross section there. So we're actually only going to try one, aren't we?
Yeah.
Like have half each and see how it goes, because it's looking like it's going to be a bit sickly.
Nice but very sickly.
Yeah. Hello guys, so another day, another snack to try. So we've got, what are they?
Like any twister lollies, I don't
Yeah.
know what they are.
So there's an extra blue colour in it, and it's supposed to be like a blueberry, I think. By the packaging it on the box, it looks like it's
They've got like
blueberry.
U-shaped as well.
Oh yeah, apparently.
Ooh.
Mmm. Fancy. So yeah, red, yellow, and blue instead of like
Green, red. That was just ice
Yeah.
cream, wasn't it?
yeah. So give them a go.
They're nice.
Yeah. They taste okay.
Mhm.
Are they as good as the original though?
No.
No, it's a no from us. Would we have them again though? From initial thoughts, I probably would, to be fair.
Mhm.
I mean, we've got some left in the freezer, so we're going to have them at least twice more. Hello guys, today is Tuesday. Emily's gone back to work now because bank holiday is over. We actually had a really weird experience this morning. We actually paused our payments to Gusto just because we wanted to have a couple of weeks off from it and just, you know, make our own stuff. And then we had an email which was saying, you know, payment failed because we'd obviously froze the payments, but the order was still on its way, which was really strange. And then this morning, well, the box turned up. We weren't expecting it to turn up because we thought, well, we've not paid, why would they send it? And they have, so I don't really know what's going on there. So I'm gonna put that stuff away and then probably chill for a bit. I've got some work I need to do for our Etsy shop, which I'll leave in the description. But outside is really weird right now. But you'll know the other day we actually went for a picnic because the weather was that nice. Well, today the weather is, well, it's snowing. God knows what's happening. It's really strange. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, it's definitely snowing. You can probably see it a little bit there. So yeah, a bit strange on that one. So we might have a load of snow to go play around in again later, which will be really weird considering how like warm it was the other day. So here she is. Yeah, we enjoyed our little Gusto tea and we're going to make a dessert of these Just Roll cinnamon rolls. Swirls. So we've never actually tried these before, have we?
No, but you get everything you need in a little pack. So.
Yeah, it gives you with the icing and everything, doesn't it? So it'll be interesting, so let's give it a go. Can't be that hard, can it?
So all we needed to do when they were out of the packet is literally just cut them. So we've cut them and they're onto a tray. Now they're going to go in the oven.
Fresh out of the oven, just got to wait for them to cool down a little bit, then we put the icing on. You excited?
Mhm.
Never done this before, have we?
No, but it's so easy.
Yeah. So we've got the icing here, and yeah, just going to put them on the cinnamon swirls and then get a eat too. I don't really know how to do this. Is there a right or a wrong way? I don't know.
Not like that. So good.
Yeah, they're so. I really like the cinnamon, like, and there's a lot of cinnamon, so. So we are going to end this week's weekly vlog here. We hope you enjoyed. Theme for this week's quiz, we're going to do like a movies quiz, aren't we?
Like an 80s movie quiz.
Yeah, so a bit of a mixture of a bit of everything. Yeah, just a bit different to what we usually do. So thank you guys for watching and have a magical day.